Let's play!
In this episode, you have the chance to win 2,000 Ghana cedis. But you must answer both questions correctly.
I'm here.
Shall we play?
Let's play.
The first question. Mention 6 countries that can be found in North Africa.
Morocco,
You have 30 seconds. Your time starts now.
Egypt,
Morocco, Tunisia,
Algeria.
Libya.
Wow. Morocco.
Hey, North Africa.
Yeah, travelers, so please, I beg.
That's travel hub.
Yeah.
Morocco,
Algeria, Libya,
Tunisia.
Tunisia.
Is Tunisia in Africa? Yeah, Tunisia is in Africa.
Yeah.
Oh,
North Africa.
Sudan.
Somalia.
Your time is up. Ladies, you had all correct.
Bring the money.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
And now, this is just one question. You need to get it to win 2,000 cedis.
Wait.
What is the name of Ghana's Speaker of Parliament?
Hey.
Alban Bagbing.
Yes.
Is it Bagbing?
Correct.
That's that.
Okay, so 4,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay, period. Please, run me my money.
So ladies, you just won 2,000 Ghana
Take
cedis.
it like that.
Yeah.
Monies will be transferred to your phones before the end of the show.
Ping, ping. Momo. No e-levy.
Okay, so that was a win. We won.
Period.
Yes, we
Period.
won. And we're
You
going to win
can't
again.
ask us.
Anyway, we will be right back.
Girls are loud.